Good morning to Coffee with Electricians Paperwork Edition. Hey guys, I am super excited. You guys have been asking me for months. You read the title right, Paperwork 101. We are wrapping up the ultimate workshop for electrical contractor paperwork. I want to let you know exactly what this is going to include. So if you've stumbled across this video, what's up? My name is Jeff. I'm the 360 Electrician. I'm here to help you on YouTube and on www.the360electrician.com to help you level up as an electrician and, most importantly, an electrical contractor. Well, guess what? My Paperwork 101 is going to give you editable versions of my paperwork. Now, I'm not a lawyer or an accountant, so I want to just let you know that they're going to be samples, but they're going to be fully editable so you can customize your logo, your name, and all the text to update it to fit your state and your needs. It's going to include number one, the field work order and all the legal we're going to talk about. Do you have legal? Are you protected? If you put a sign on someone's yard and someone trips over it, you're going to be liable unless you got permission from the owner to do so. Different things like that. We're going to cover if you have rental equipment on a property and it gets stolen. You need to let the customer know that security on their property is their responsibility and not yours. All these different things that I've learned over the past 16 years, I'm going to teach you in this workshop. You're also going to get part B to paperwork, which is super important, is your proposal, where we detail every single thing that we're going to install, how we're going to do it in timelines, and more legal. We're going to cover that. And last but not least, I want to give you my shotgun email proposals, the way that I blast out a ton of proposals fast and efficiently, and what's included in that so that I can get as many proposals out as fast as possible with the least amount of time or effort. Are you excited? Now, this workshop and course and downloadable, editable, PDF, Microsoft Word, Publisher, Forms is not going to be cheap. It's already cost me thousands and thousands of dollars to get my paperwork set, but I want to give you that at a fraction of the price. We're going to probably be starting somewhere in the $5.99 and up. We're going to have 1, 2, or 3 different versions of paperwork that you're going to be able to choose, and we're going to have different ways that you're going to be able to pay. So I hope you're excited. Smash that like, subscribe, and we will see you in the paperwork workshop.